Hi, today we are tackling a very hot topic. Is Bollywood truly facing a commercial crisis? Once a global entertainment powerhouse, its future looks uncertain from declining star power and remake fatigue to the rise of OTT and South Indian cinema. The industry is at a crossroad. Let's dive into why Bollywood is struggling and what's happening behind the scenes. I'm Shuli Das, and to be frank, in the early days, Bollywood enjoyed an unparalleled love, devotion, and following. There was no real competition from South Indian movies, and OTT platforms were just non existent. The magic lay in high quality acting and truly superb music, which consistently drew audiences to theatres. Today, however, it feels like we're seeing stars with diminishing acting talent, and the less said about the music, the better it is. I honestly believe those golden days can never return, and Bollywood, by its own producers doing, is driving away audiences and potentially facing its demise, a slow death. Bollywood, once a shining beacon after Hollywood, is indeed staring at a slow but steady commercial crisis. The old formula isn't working. We are seeing a significant decline in ROI on star power. Even A-listers cannot guarantee a hit. The remake bubble has burst with audiences rejecting formulaic, copy paste content in favor of original storytelling. Now, OTT disruption has fundamentally changed viewing habits, offering diverse global narratives at home, making repetitive Bollywood stories less appealing in theaters. Now, the rise of South Indian cinema with its culturally rooted, fresh execution has proven a national appeal, highlighting the Bollywoods where Bollywood has completely lost that touch. Finally, poor risk management by studios, over relying on star fees instead of long term IP building, has severely hurt their sustainability and their existence. The producers themselves are largely responsible for the looming crisis that is existing right now. Declining star power, A-listers no longer guarantee hits, remake fatigue, audiences have completely rejected copy paste content, OTT disruption, it has changed viewing habits, diverse home content. The South cinema's rise, culturally rooted stories gain national traction. Poor risk management is also one of the factors. Over reliance on stars, lack of IP building, which is called intellectual property building. Quality has dropped, deterioration in acting and music standards. The writing is definitely on the wall, very clearly. Bollywood's commercial struggles are multifaceted issue. It's really struggling, rooted in creative stagnation and economic missteps. The glory of quality acting and unforgettable music seem distant. Remember the 90s music? I still feel very nostalgic about it. For the industry to survive, a radical shift is needed, embracing originality and sustainable practices. Do you agree that the old magic is gone, and what should the Bollywood do to survive, to make a comeback? Share your thoughts. Do like, share, and subscribe our channel.